Hello and welcome to Happy Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to use Discord on a school Chromebook. So if you're using a Chromebook, you are for sure going to have Google Play. You're obviously going to have a Google Play Store on your Chromebook, right? So what you want to do is go to your Chromebook and then go to your apps, and then you want to search for the app. So basically, go to your search, type in Discord, and then you're gonna get Discord. Download this version of Discord. Now this is only available for devices such as Chromebooks and Android devices, so not really gonna be able to install it on my computer, but you should be able to do it if you're on a Chromebook. You're gonna have the choice of installing it. Click on that install button, log in, and voila, you now have Discord on your Chromebook. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.